Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an eSIM to your iPhone 17 on the latest iOS version. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do it, whether you're transferring an eSIM to add it to your phone or you're bringing in a new eSIM. So first thing you're going to start doing is go into your setting and then go to cellular. Now, if you haven't set up any eSIM yet, it's going to look something like this. If you already have a setup, you're going to look slightly different. It's going to show up the first cellular that you have set up. So you might see an option that says add eSIM, or you might get this one where you say set up cellular. So I'm going to tap on that. And when I do that, I'm going to get a couple options here. As I mentioned, the first thing is if you're transferring your existing SIM card from maybe an old device that you're using that you want to move your data over, but you didn't move the eSIM, you want to do this option. When you click on this option and bring your old iPhone next to it, you're going to get a prompt on your old iPhone to continue to transfer. And all you do is continue and follow the prompt, and it will transfer that eSIM over from that old phone to the new one, and the eSIM will no longer work on the old phone. The same thing can be done for Android as well. You can follow the same exact step where you can bring your Android device close and then hit continue. It will transfer it over. So those are going to be two different ways for transferring existing SIM. Now, if you have a new eSIM card that you like to add, generally it's going to start with you having a QR code. This QR code, use QR code, this one that you get, it's from your company or the carrier that you get your phone service. They're going to provide you this code. You can't get it anywhere. They'll provide you with it. And all you have to do is get that code and just scan it in to your phone. And when you scan it in, it will begin setting up the eSIM here. This code is invalid because I haven't used a valid one, but when it's valid, it's going to go ahead and add after you scan it. Now, there may be an option where if you can't scan it, you can also do is instead of scanning, right, you can enter the details manually, like the SPDP address, activation code, and confirmation code. This will also be provided part of the eSIM that your carrier will provide. Just enter those numbers in there, hit next, and then your eSIM will be added. So those are different ways to add an eSIM to your iPhone 17. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.